Morning. Today we are going to see some of the features and some of the problems which are going to face when we are creating presentation variables. So I was switching over to analytics. Okay, I have taken two fields, two columns. One is buyer and supplier, another is supplier. Okay, so username nothing but a buyer. Okay, so if you want to change the column, I think you know that. Just change the reports. Second thing, uh, when we created a presentation variables, we how to create presentation variables. Have to go to dashboard prompt. I already created one presentation variable. Just I open that presentation variable. It is a prompt. Okay, so we'll create a presentation variable by using prompts, dashboard prompts. Okay, so I'm switching over to how to save it. Coding cat. So I'm going to catalog. I created one dashboard prompt. So if you want to see that, this is a fee buyer, our dashboard prompt, and we are using presentation variable for this prompt. Okay. Then so now I will go to report and we will use this presentation variable. You want to change this. Suppose I want to go directly to criteria. I think I already explained this in previous videos. We have to change it to start on criteria tab when editing analysis. Okay. You have to and save it. Okay. So we are going to use presentation variable. Have to go to filter and I created one presentation variable. Save it. Once one client asking, suppose though we are using presentation variable, it's a prompt. Customer wants to see the results, irrespective all the results, irrespective of the parameter. Okay, the client wants that thing. Okay. For that, suppose I now clicked on the results, it won't show any results. Get no rate of one is coming. Okay. For that, you want to see all the results when opening the report. So for that, percent is the default like that. Now, if you click on results, You can able to see all the data. Okay, we'll create a one dashboard also. Okay. Now we will try to uh, run. Okay, save it. Run from the report. Okay, so all data is coming. Suppose customer wants like that. Suppose if we pick any buyer, like in cabin both, it will display only. There's no data is there. Okay, for this cabin growth, so it's not displaying anything. Okay. Okay, in that case, it is very useful uh, this type of reports. Okay, suppose the client wants display all the records while opening the report dashboard, you have to use the percentage prompt. Report. I think you got my point, right? So if you have any queries regarding dashboards and you want any more information on dashboards, you can ping me on YouTube comment section so that I can reply back on the YouTube comment section. Okay. Thank you.